Hey everyone, Dr. TJ Ahn here. Today we're diving into a topic that's affecting doctors across all specialties: financial struggles in medical practice. As a podiatrist and practice management consultant, I've seen firsthand how these challenges impact our profession. But more importantly, I want to share how we can overcome them. The landscape of medical practice is changing rapidly and not always for the better. Did you know that for 2025, Medicare implemented another 2.83% decrease in physicians' reimbursements? That might not sound like much, but when you factor in inflation, it's a significant hit. In fact, since 2001, Medicare payments to doctors have decreased by almost 30% when adjusted for inflation. But it's not just about declining reimbursements. Operating costs are skyrocketing. The Medical Economic Index is projected to rise by 3.5% in 2025. Some hospitals are seeing over 13% growth in staffing costs alone, adding the burden of student loan debt, and it's no wonder many doctors are feeling the financial squeeze. So why are doctors struggling? Well, for starters, many of us are still relying heavily on insurance-based models. We weren't taught business skills in medical school, and let's face it, balancing patient care with practice management is tough. But here's the kicker. These financial pressures are leading some physicians to limit Medicare patients or even opt out entirely. That's not good for anyone. The impact of these struggles goes beyond our bank accounts. We're seeing increased burnout, reduced quality of patient care, and less time for our families. Some private practices are even facing closure, but it doesn't have to be this way. So now, let's talk solutions. I've helped numerous doctors turn their practices around, and I'm going to share some key strategies with you. First, consider adopting a hybrid concierge model. This allows you to offer premium services while maintaining traditional insurance patients. Second, develop a niche. Become the go-to expert in a specific area. This allows you to command higher fees and attract patients who are willing to pay for specialized care. Third, implement effective marketing strategies. In today's digital age, you need to be visible where your patients are looking. Fourth, and this is crucial, improve your business and financial management skills. Understand your numbers, optimize your operations, and make informed decisions. Let me show you some of the wins of doctors in my private community. Look at some doctors' wins here. Dr. Young closed $3,200 heel pain package. Another Dr. Young closed $2,500 pain package. Dr. Ashim talks about begin the opt-out process of 4 more additional plans. Again, these are my members of Mastermind Group. Dr. Alex Kim closed on gout package $2,000, ankle fracture package $2,900. Thursday win. Dr. Kim again, $2,000. Another, look, you see wins after wins. Dr. L, deposit for surgery. Dr. Shivani, let's see, another package. You see win after win, $1,500 win. Dr. Sarah Stewart, another win. All of these doctors were struggling with declining reimbursements and rising costs. But by implementing hybrid concierge model and focusing on niche, laser-sharp medical marketing and developing influencing skills. As you can see from wins here, Dr. Alex, for example, was able to increase his revenue by 40% in just less than 1 year, all while seeing fewer patients and improving his work-life balance. Look at all these results. So where do you start? Begin by assessing your current practice model. Identify areas for improvement and seek out education and mentorship in business and financial management. And most importantly, take action, execution. Implement changes even if they seem small at first. The benefits of getting your financial house in order go beyond just making more money. You'll have improved work-life balance, better patient outcomes, and greater professional satisfaction. You'll be able to practice medicine the way you always dreamed of. Remember, while the challenges are real, but so are the solutions. So are the results. You became a doctor to help people, not to struggle financially. It's time to take control of your financial future and create the practice and the life you deserve. If you're ready to start this journey, I've put together a free resource guide with practical steps you can take right now. Click the link below in the description to download it. Before we wrap up, if you found this information valuable, and I know you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. It's right down there. Go ahead, I'll wait. Got it? Great. Now make sure you also click that notification bell next to the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss any of our upcoming videos on practice management, financial strategies for doctors, and tips to build your dream practice. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to reach more doctors who could benefit from this type of information. Alright, now let's wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.